Welcome to William's World. My name is William, and on this channel I want to show you my world. So heyo, let's go. It's 1 o'clock at night and the weather forecast said it was going to be a dry night, but I just woke up with a loud lightning and thunderstorm, so I have to make an adjustment. I had a tarp on the ground, but it's going to be one big swimming pool, so I have to change it now. So this is what I did. I cut the tarp off the ground and put it above my tent. And just in time, it's starting to rain.
From the Netherlands he rode away, no one beside him, just the sky. The morning breeze began to sway, a silent tear he didn't cry. Hey ho, let's go, the wheels will spin, through valleys deep and rivers wide. The mountain calls from deep within, no fear, just fire, he won't hide. Hey ho.
Good morning on day 10. I'm starting to lose track. The big trees in my tarp kept me dry, so I had a decent night. I slept 7 hours. That's enough for me to live on. Today I'm going to Würzburg, but as you can see, it's grey and it's raining.
He passed through towns with names unknown, oh, each mile a mark upon the day. A kingdom built from grit alone, oh, his towns like dust they flew away. Hey ho, don't slow, the path is steep, the climb is hard, the air is thin, but every push takes something deep, oh, 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 a strength that rises from within. Hey ho, let's go to San Marino, oh, 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 a dream that dances in the light. Through every turn, through high and low, oh, 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 he pedals on into the night.
It's really pouring rain now. You don't want to cycle through this. So I'm sheltering underneath this tree. This is my little dry spot. Trying to stay warm and dry. It should clear up in half an hour. Because it's such a grey and rainy day. I was really worried about charging my stuff because the solar panel doesn't work. And then I found this place. And here I can charge my power bank, charge my phone, have lunch with my new guilty pleasure, little pizzas from the supermarket. I have cycled more than 10,000 kilometers through Europe in 15 different countries. I have crossed the Pyrenees twice. I cycled up the Mont Ventoux, so I have some experience. But the last 4 days were probably the hardest cycling I've ever done. And I was starting to question myself, but then I looked at this map. I was cycling through some really mountainous terrain in Germany, so that explains why it was so heavy. This is a little bit crazy, but there is a great camping spot on the other side, so I think I'm gonna cross the water. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this with all my stuff, but it's gonna rain and there I can camp when it's dry. So I had to go across 4 times with all my stuff and my underwear is wet, but it's worth it. Nobody can see me here. I have a roof above my head. It's the perfect free camping place. It has been a long day because I had to shelter from the rain like 3 or 4 times. I cycled from 7 till 5, but I'm really happy with the camping spot I found. It's dry, it's private, and I think I'm gonna have a great night here. And in the next video, you're gonna see me carrying all the stuff back over the water. So see you next time. Bye bye.